So we are 15 days into this MADSEN 30-day ride challenge, and here are my thoughts so far. So it has been 15 days. So we got this MADSEN, we got this version of the MADSEN specifically because we needed it to be our second set of wheels. We needed it to be our second form of transportation. We only have one automobile. We only have one car. The MADSEN is literally our second vehicle. And so we opted for the version that has the electric motor integrated. It has the rain and wind cover on the top. It's just got a few more of the bells and whistles that just make it a little more functional, a little more usable, kind of year-round and everything. Does make it a little easier to, when you are carting children, multiple children places, as we fully intended to use it for. That was what we got it for. So that was what we opted for. It was a little bit pricier model, but we have loved it so very much. So as I said, we've had it for a couple of months now. We got it in June or July, and I've pretty much already been riding it nearly every day, just because I prefer it over my car. In all honesty, if it's within like 6 miles or something, and I have the time, even if it means leaving a little early and taking a little longer on the way back, I would actually rather take the bike than the car. That's just me. My default when I get in the car is to be anxious and angry, and quite the opposite is true when I am riding the MADSEN. So that is what I opt for. If I have a trip that I am taking and it's less than 6 miles or so, I will choose the MADSEN every single time. And we've loved it. It's just so fun. You just can't help but be happy while you're riding it, even when it's drizzling a little bit. We've had a couple occasions.
What are you talking about?
Oh, I'm just making a video. It's just so fun to ride the bike. So somebody asked, has it been easier or harder than I anticipated to ride it every single day like we have been the last 15? And quite honestly, it's been, we just use it. We've just really fully integrated it into how we do our days. And so it's been a lot easier than I thought it was going to be in riding it every day, because we were quite simply already doing it. Because it is, such a big part of how we go about our day. It's been a lot easier than I expected. Because we're already doing it. We're already, again, if I have a trip that's anything less than 6 miles, I'm jumping on the bike. I am taking the bike, and that's what I'm going on. So it has been so much fun. We love our MADSEN. It is just absolutely wonderful. Highly recommend it.